So yesterday I was talking to a friend of mine and who was asking me how do I structure my day to make sure that I have a successful and a productive day. Because for him, he says that he wakes up each and every day with that ambition to do a lot of things, but at the end of the day, he realizes that he just did two things. So this was me a few months ago. I also had that problem. And when I realized that I had that problem, I had to make some changes because I also had that problem whereby I wake up wanting to do a lot of things, but at the end of the day, I realized that I only did two things or one thing. So, first of all, having a morning routine is something that we all should consider. Having a morning routine sets you up for that day, makes you start your day well. So, for me, my morning routine is very easy. I just wake up, I pray. After praying, I work out, then I meditate. After meditating, I now journal. And this is the very important part. So, after meditating, I always make sure I create a list of those things that I want to accomplish that day. So when I started creating or when I started building this habit, I will just write, let's say, 10 things that I want to do that day. But at the end of the day, I will realize that I only did like three things. So I came to realize that me writing those things that I wanted to do was somehow causing a confusion in my mind because I didn't know what was important and what I was supposed to do first on that list. So I decided to make another changes on my morning routine. So after writing all those 10 things that I wanted to do that day, now I come up and pick those three things that are important. And I feel like if I have to leave town tomorrow, I will make sure that I accomplish or I do these things before leaving town. So for me, I do use the 70-30 rule, whereby out of 10 things, I pick three things and I prioritize those three things. Some people will use the 80-20 rule, whereby out of 10, they pick two. And some people will use the 10-90 rule, whereby out of 10, they pick one. So you just go with what works for you. For me, what works for me is the 70-30 rule. So nowadays, after writing that list of those 10 things that I want to accomplish on that day, let's say today, I pick those three things that are important, and I feel like if I accomplish these things, I will feel like I've accomplished something big and I had a successful and a productive day. After writing and picking all those three things that I want to finish or that I want to work on first, if I have time to start working on those things, I already start working on those things. And here is how this has helped me. So I came to realize that after finishing or after accomplishing these three things, I feel more motivated and I even feel the urge to keep going and accomplish those other tasks. This has also helped me build confidence and know that I can achieve different things on one day. So make sure you have a morning routine. So you can just say maybe wake up, you pray, and then you meditate. And then after meditating, have to write all those things that you want to achieve that day because this is not just something that I do for me. Most people use this rule or use this habit to structure their day, even the most successful people. They always have a schedule, and a schedule is just a list of things that you have to do that day and make sure that you accomplish them. And you have to know that success comes from the accomplishment of jobs and projects. And for a project to be successfully accomplished, you have to divide it into tasks and prioritize all those important tasks and work on them first and then come to the next ones. That's how you accomplish things and achieve different things in this world. And you can get more information about personal growth and finance on our website, which is www.shiftshub.com. So there is an S in between shift and hub, or you can just check for shiftshub.com. We share information about personal growth, self-improvement, productivity, and finance. We also have a section whereby we share courses. You can access our courses for free. And if you did found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment and tell us how do you start your day or how do you structure your day to make sure that you have a successful and a productive day each day.